I'm tired, I'm wet. Why are we here?
Hello everyone! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! So for our New Year's Eve celebration, we are gonna go to Cypress Mountain. We looked around the places here today in Vancouver and we couldn't find any good spots which are like cheap and worth it. And also, I think it was last minute when we planned this out. But we got tickets for Cypress Mountain. They have a small New Year's Eve celebration up there.
The New Year's Eve celebration in Cypress Mountain includes fireworks, bonfire, and we get to snowboard.
It's our first time snowboarding this season, and let's see if we can still remember how to snowboard.
I sure don't.
So the sad news is, when we looked at the Cypress Mountain website this morning, they saying that the fireworks celebration is cancelled because of the weather conditions today. It is quite rainy here in Vancouver today, so any fireworks outside would just be cancelled.
That's too bad.
Yeah, unfortunately.
No fireworks for 2019.
But instead of just staying here at home and just being sad about it, let's still go out, make the most out of it, and just enjoy the night.
Let's go snowboarding!
Let's go! So, being the first time snowboarding this season, we gotta take some stuff out from our big closet here. This is where we keep all of our seasonal stuff, so we don't have to like move things around. So these equipments are actually from last year. We didn't buy anything new this year yet. These mostly came from Facebook Market posts, like people that wanting to get off their stuff, and we just bought it off from their hands. Actually, there's one thing that we bought new, which are these goggles from Costco, which is about 50 bucks. Just gives me like a clearer vision of the night, especially now that we are actually snowboarding at night, and it gives you some protection from the snow. So, big update. Quite a turnaround, guys. So we are now here at Cypress Mountain and it's really raining heavily and it's not really optimal to go out and snowboard. Well, you still can. There's still snow. It's just gonna be like slushy and wet. I don't think it's gonna be fun. So we tried our best to talk to guest relations with Cypress Mountain. Unfortunately, they are really strict with their policies. They won't let you try to cancel or refund your ticket. You can change the dates and stuff, but you would have to pay a transfer fee, which is like $20 per ticket, which is almost as much as another ticket for the night owl.
The night is not really turning out well. First, they canceled the fireworks. Now, it's raining very hard, pouring outside.
It's not a great night for Vancouver tonight. Especially, why on New Year's Eve, right?
Of all the days.
Of all the days, of all the nights. So our plan right now is still try to go at it. We are gonna stick around instead of like paying the extra $40 for the both of us to transfer the dates. We are gonna wait it out. Yeah, I think we should just make the most out of this night. Instead of like just going home and just being sore losers. We should just at least try. At least try to have fun, right? So we bought a couple of these plastic wear that you can put on yourself just so you don't get soaked whenever it's raining like this. It's only a few dollars, so might as well, right?
And we are already a little bit wet.
Someone's already prepared, all geared up. You got your helmet, snow goggles. For now, it's rain goggles.
All set.
All set, you got your boots, everything.
Not a lot of people today.
I feel like the rain slowed down a little bit, right? It's not as hard as before.
It's raining, I can't feel anything.
We haven't even started. I'm already tired.
Hey! We have to start all over again.
We're just up here in one of the lower hills here to see if we still know how to snowboard.
I don't know how.
I'm tired, I'm wet, I don't know how to snowboard. Why are we here?
Why are we here? Are you ready?
First try of the season.
Don't break anything.
One try and I'm already gasping. I don't think we were prepared for this at all. The weather told us not to come,
No one seems to be here. We still came. No refunds. This is Maxine's first attempt to snowboard for the season. So you gotta carve first, okay? And try to stand up. Lean back. There you go. There you go. I think she still got it, but she's just a little bit rusty. Where are you going? Without any snowboard at all, she just skid right back into the base, down to the hill. I think it's because it's so rainy, it's so slushy right now, that it's so slippery. We're having a hard time getting friction from these hills. Currently on the ski lift on one of the lower hills. I'm gonna attempt to run this one. I made it! Let's see if we can spot Max from here. She might be right there, just waiting for me. I can go home now.
I went down first.
I'm still going! I'm still going! I'm not even stopping yet! I think we're done for the day, for the night. At one point I wanted to get up to the higher mountain, but we realized it's gonna be unsafe because it's so slushy, it's so wet here, and the snow is not optimal for snowboarding. And we can come back here anytime, right? So
Yeah.
why risk it? Right now, we are just gonna go dry up a little bit, put our things back, and we are gonna go eat on the lodge, the Cypress Lodge. This is our New Year's Eve dinner, guys.
Pizza.
The best pepperoni pizza in town.
The biggest slice ever.
The biggest slice ever, with some hot sauce and the best drink ever. We're just really hungry.
Happy New Year!
So Cypress has a cafeteria on their second floor. If you guys feel hungry, they always have something to eat here, like pizzas, like burgers, fries. You can get yourself a drink. They're even like, they have like desserts and stuff. If you wanted to have something more formal, they have like an actual restaurant, which is the Raven restaurant, I think. It's a pub on the other side of the lodge.
It's only for 18 years old and older, and you need to present 2 valid IDs.
We recommend, if you guys are coming up here, there's no restrictions on food, so why not just bring your own food, because the food here is a little pricey, just to be honest. To be more specific on the prices of the food here, this pizza, a 10-inch pizza is $9.50, and for this large drink, you're spending $3.95.
Hi guys, we're back home.
This night is really unexpected. From the weather to the things that we should be doing. So we originally planned something for New Year's Eve. So we bought our tickets for Cypress because they said there was a New Year's Eve celebration in there.
And fireworks.
And fireworks, yeah. Due to the weather, it was really rainy and there was a lot of wind. So they decided to cancel the fireworks and the celebration. To be honest, I'm all disappointed with Cypress. I was hoping that they would be more understanding and more flexible with their policies, their cancellation policies and stuff. Yeah, I understand that they can't control the weather, but we really just booked the admission, the tickets, just for the New Year's Eve celebration. We tried to do a refund of our tickets. It wasn't really the optimal snowboarding condition for the weather, but yeah, they wouldn't allow us to cancel it. They would allow us to move the dates to another date, but we would have to pay $20 per ticket.
Per ticket.
Which is about $40 for the two of us, and it's almost the cost of another ticket.
I think the moral lesson for today is to look at the brighter side of things.
And never accept defeat. We tried our best to just enjoy the night.
And we had a lot of fun. We even tried sliding like we were kids.
Yeah.
Enjoying the snow, the rain. Tomorrow is the start of the new year. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe.
And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming vlogs, please let us know in the comment section down below.
Until then, see you on our next vlog.
And we wish you guys a happy new year. Thanks for watching.
Bye.